and welcome to Rentio Toor Dal videos. I'm your chef Shivani Mehta. Today I'm gonna make lentil layered lasagna for the people who love to eat Italian food. Tangy, cheesy, creamy and spicy, just the way I like it. We will make tangy red sauce for the base. Stuffing of international veggies along with toor dal to put in layers of pasta sheets. And finally, we will top the pasta sheets with lots of cheese and bake it for some time. So this yum recipe is very easy peasy to make. So let's start making. I'm sure that you would have liked this video a lot. Don't forget to try this recipe at your home, and also don't forget to follow the social media pages of Rentio Toor Dal. Thank you for being with us.